This is a Casio PRO-101, and I was sent this with the intention of me having a look at it and trying to fix a problem that it had. So the problem was that the program memory, and there's 256 steps or bytes of program memory in this calculator, it wouldn't hold programs. So you type a program in and it would disappear, and sometimes it would be there for a small period of time, other times it would just disappear entirely. So I had a look at it, and this is actually fixed. You can see there's a cable coming out the top, and I'll explain exactly what happened in the video later on. So I didn't actually film the fault, but it's just the program wasn't there. So how I fixed it was using the RP2040, which is quite useful for this sort of thing.